on your next BRAUM purchase. Or you can use my promo code LOWTECH, link is down in the description. I miss these seats.
Yeah, I have them again.
I got rid of the first ones because they were maroon and didn't match with red. So I had to get black ones, but the next color that I'm wrapping, it should match. Or not match, but it'll flow a lot better and it'll look good. What is up? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy LOWTECH. For today's video, we're gonna be installing my new BRAUM seats that you guys saw already, and we're gonna finish unwrapping the Z. Before we get into that, this Friday we are releasing a new shirt for Techlo, so be ready for that. Actually, hold on, let me show you guys really quick. So this Friday, we're dropping those. Be ready for that. I'm super excited for this one because I really like how this shirt came out. Simple, clean, and I'm pretty sure you guys will enjoy it. But anyways, before I'm gonna be real with you, I forgot the hardware to bolt up my seats into my car, so I'm gonna have to continue this vlog another day. But before I go, enjoy this montage of the seats. Alright, quick little tip for all the Z owners. For the passenger side, the bracket normally sits a lot higher than the driver's side, so it tends to hit up the roof. So to avoid that, just take the slider out and bolt it directly to the bracket, and it would fit. It fits fine. It doesn't hit at the top or nothing. It sits evenly with the driver's side by removing the sliders. So just a little tip for you guys. I think it's every bracket too, not just planted brackets, which is what I have. obviously you want the slider part on the outside. What's up, guys? Continuing the vlog, just loaded up the wheels like you guys saw. I'm gonna go dismount these tires because I gotta get these wheels powder coated. I tried selling them, but nobody wants to buy them for the price that I want, so I'm just gonna end up keeping them. I'll just powder coat them and maybe sell them down the road. Fuck it, I don't have time. I got shows coming up, so I gotta work with what I have. So damn, my hair is getting long, you know, it's coming out the fucking top. Anyways, obviously I didn't finish last night. I was supposed to unwrap the Z, but I didn't get to. I've just been having like migraines lately, and it just sucks. Like, I've been trying to edit a video and upload all week, but as soon as I do that, like as soon as I get on the laptop, freaking headaches like crazy. So hopefully I can overcome this and get these videos uploaded ASAP. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy that little quick install. Hopefully it's helpful to some of you guys. I know the passenger side, like I said already, I know the passenger side sits a lot higher. I don't know why it's like that. Every brand bracket, passenger side always sits higher. No idea why they design it that way. It's stupid. And sometimes the holes don't even line up. It's even more dumb. Well, to avoid the seat from hitting the roof, just remove the sliders, bolt it directly to the seat like I did, and you should be good. So anyways, I am gonna go dismount these because I gotta get them powder coated, and I'll pick it up in a bit. Got these dismounted already, but I gotta take off this valve stem. Alright guys, I am probably gonna wrap this vlog up right here. Dropped off my wheels to get stripped. They're gonna get powder coated, be picking those up in a week or so over with my good people, Reliable Powder Coating in Downey. That's where I always get my wheels powder coated. So I'm excited to show you guys a new color for that. And I'm still waiting on my bumper and my over fenders from being prepped. So I'll be getting that as well pretty soon, and then I can get this whole wrap going. I just gotta finish taking off the wrap off my doors on my Z. But I don't know, I'm freaking tired. I literally just woke up. I gotta go pick up something, so it's gonna be a surprise for the next vlog. I'm sorry to give you blue balls. Should be super exciting. But anyways, I'm gonna wrap it up here. If you're not supporting the movement, techlow.com. We just dropped a new t-shirt. Make sure you hit the link down in the description, check that out, support the movement, and that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you smash that thumbs up for me, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and guys, remember why you start.